That's right. Big bag, bustin' up the belly band. Take a man, Balenciaga, got it back, and all these bitches cut. It's big bags, bustin' up the belly band. Take a man, fucking back, party back, and all you bitches cut.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy George Stamina back at again from
Flight for Hype.
Today we have a video that I'm very excited to give you guys, but before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. So we all know and love Supreme. If you do like Supreme, then smash the like button and subscribe to the channel because we have a good one. We all know that week 1 was absolutely crazy. There was a lot of things that did drop, and you have not watched that copying video, and boom, it is right there. You can kind of see what I was going through week 1, but having said that, guys, I want to show you guys 2 items that just came in the mail, and I am very excited to show you guys. Now, just to let you guys know as well, I'm also going to do a try on these items as well. Well, one item I can't really try on, but the other one I can, and I'm going to show you guys how I would actually style some of this stuff. So having said that, let's get into it. You guys see the skateboard. You see on the top of the deck it says World Famous Supreme. You've got the box logo here with the little World Famous on the top. You know, it's really cool. It comes with a Supreme sticker as well, which is always a must-have, you know what I mean? Now let's get to the good part. Boom! We have the Kaws Chalk Supreme board. This is so cool. I can't believe that I actually hit on this. It's really crazy to me because when I was copying this, it actually said that I didn't have anything in my cart. It was basically telling me that I wasn't able to cop this. And before I knew it, it said that my order was canceled before online. But then I also got an email stating that my actual transaction went through and this was actually purchased. This costed me $52 USD, so I think I paid around like $100 honestly for this. Resale value on this isn't too high. Last time I checked on StockX, it was a $100 sellout. So honestly, I'm not gonna make any profit on this board, but that's okay because I don't even want to sell it. This board sold out in like literally like 5 to 10 seconds, and I still can't believe that I was able to cop this. It also came in 4 different colorways, as you can see. Boom. Yeah, I do really want to get the entire set, but the set does cost around like $1,300 on StockX. I don't really know if I want to pay all of that just for 4 other decks, but I am very content with having this one, and I really enjoy it. You can see here it's got the Supreme box logo, and also this is the same logo that you did see on the sweater. Now, I am so upset that I really slept on the sweater. I totally forgot that they were actually releasing. I kind of slipped on that one. At least I was able to get the Kaws. Now, the only thing I would really change about this though is that if they actually had the Kaws X's, it would have been nice if they had more effort into it. Like, I don't know, if they made the E like with an X or something like that. I don't know, something to represent Kaws a little bit more, because if you do look at this board, you will not know that it's a collaboration with Kaws whatsoever. Having said that though, this is one of my favorite boards. This is my first Supreme board, so I'm very happy to know that I was able to get the one that I really wanted anyways. So this is a great cop. Boom! So right now we have the red Camo Tote Bag. This was around $118 USD. So, you know, I paid basically almost $200 for this because of tax and duties and all that, because I do live in Canada. You do see that this comes in this red camo, and I really like this because it is super unique, and this is actually the first tote bag that I've ever had. I don't usually go for tote bags, but I feel like this would be really good for a laptop bag because my laptop is big. I think it'd be really nice if I was traveling with this bag. For this tote bag, you can see you have this handle here that basically, you know, you can carry it like this if you want to. You can basically use it as a duffel bag if you want to, you know what I mean? See that? You got the handle here. And I love that it also comes with this strap as well. You do see the strap here, so if you want to make this a crossbody, you definitely can use this as a crossbody, and it still looks pretty cool. Nothing really like a duffel bag, but it's really dope to see that. There is a pocket here that is made out of mesh, and you can put your water bottle here if you want to, you know what I mean? This is great for summertime and traveling. So I love how they actually made a pocket here, and it's really nice too because this pocket actually goes all the way around the bag. So you can see that you can either have 2 pockets basically. So you can put 1 bottle here and you can put 1 bottle here, which is really dope. You can see the tote bag is made out of this canvas material, which by the way, this is water resistant. So if this goes in the rain, it won't get wet as fast, which is really great because that's something that I've always concerned about as well. They've been killing it with the Cordura fabric. You can see here that it is pretty functional. It's got a zipper here, and the best part about it is you can see the Supreme branding here. It's a SUP, and it's cool because you can actually see a little bit through it. So if I were to stick my hand in there, you can actually see what is behind here, which is cool because you can always customize it the way you want, you know. But I think that's a really dope detail. On the back of the bag, it does say Preem. You can see it says Sup, and then you see Preem. Again, same functional pocket, which is cool. And I really like how they actually made it basically double-sided. So this side and this side are exactly the same, which means it has both functional pockets, which is awesome. Opening up the bag, you do see like these roped laces basically, and you open it and it is pretty spacious in here. You can see this, boom. There's slight Supreme branding inside here. It's cool because the branding in this bag, it's like if you know, you know, you know. You can see here that if you want to, you can actually have this tote bag open and you can basically just use this like that, which is cool. So that's actually dope. You can just do it like this if you want to. This is basically like thin line, but it kind of opens like that, which is pretty functional. I mean, I think this is good for the rain, right? So that's dope. Now, in terms of inside, there is one pocket in here. There is one pocket inside here, which is good. It's not too deep, but you can put like your cell phone, your wallet, or anything like that in here. But other than that, there is really no more room in the bag. Like there's only one zipper in the bag really, and everything else, you just kind of just have to play with it. This entire bag is really functional. There's a lot of zippers. It feels nice and durable, and there's a lot of options to actually use the bag. So that is a big plus for me. Is this bag worth $118 USD? I definitely think it is. I think it's really stylish, and I don't see this type of colorway so often. And you know, I just think that this was a really great cop. As you can see here, I did have the waist bag and this cookie camo basically, but I don't know. I really like copping their camo just because it's a little bit different. I just really like it. I think I'm gonna go back on the website and I'm definitely going to have to cop the sling bag. It's gonna be an awesome accessory for me to have because I'm always traveling and, you know, to take photos and stuff like that. I just think that it's gonna be really cool to have. Honestly though, this Supreme Week 1 drop was really awesome. But guys, hold on a second. It is confirmed that Week 2, we do have the Nike SB Dunks that we're gonna release. These are going to be a problem. Like, these are going to actually be insane. I'm definitely going to do a live cop for that because that is going to be one of the most sought after dunks that is going to be releasing this year. And the retail and the resale are going to be extremely high. These sneakers are 100% going to skyrocket. I need you guys to know in the comments right now, which one are you guys going to go for? I am going to go try for all of them. I definitely want to make sure that I do get a review on them at least. But having said that, guys, like, I don't know. I think this is just going to be absolutely insane. Having said that, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoy videos like this, then don't forget to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you do not miss a video. I'm actually going through a really big job transition right now. Right now, I won't be able to be posting a lot. So CJ is going to take over the channel for a little bit. He is going to kill it, and trust me guys, I know that this guy has been copying heat. So if everyone can go follow CJ at CJWise Official. You can follow me on Instagram at JXSFilms. Everything in Canada is about to open up. I cannot wait for that, but it's going to be a very busy time for me. So I just need you guys to bear with me, and hopefully, you know, you guys are still subscribed to the channel. We are on the road to 4K, and our watch time is so close to being monetized. If you guys haven't watched any of our other videos, then go ahead and do so. Turn on the notification bell like I said, so that way you don't miss the next live cop. And we're going to be dropping a lot of reviews, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. We're about to take off. Peace.
Drop it!